this is a new 4-seater side-by-side we got for us all to fit in. It's a RZR 800. We got it for a pretty good deal because it does have some issues. Right here, the U-joint's bad. This tire rod end's bad. It's got a lot of play in the steering, but it's overall a pretty nice side-by-side. We took the wheels and tires off of it to try to figure everything out. And this right here is broke too, sway bar back here. And the exhaust was messed up a little bit, but we kind of got it fixed, but it still ain't sitting quite center. So you might have to do a little bit of stuff to that, but overall it's pretty nice, and we'll keep y'all updated on it. Well, we're doing the U-joint on this side-by-side, starting out with that, and to get it off, I'll try to show you guys. There's a pin, this pin right here. You gotta punch it out from the other side, and then you gotta do the same thing on the back side, and it should just slide right off. I can't go straight, there's a differential. You don't think we're on it, you said?
Pull back off.
Yeah.
I'm getting close.
That's as far as I can pull it. What's up, dude?
Yeah. Yeah, when two shafts like that go together, they usually have a dog tooth where it won't go one way, so it don't keeps it in balance.
I don't see anything like it on this side.
Put this drive shaft back in there. So let's work on this one that's up here. I don't know, it's good. I think I've almost got it. No, it needs to go on there.
Yeah, that's the same problem in micro.
I think the problem is the shaft needs to come on this side.
It can't.
Of that. Why can't it?
If you want to try it, then be my guest.
I don't know why it ain't sliding on right. There's nothing catching up here. And that's probably just not pretty good.
Can you set one tooth right there? It's bigger.
Yeah.
It's supposed to go on this shaft, which got one tooth bigger. So just two bolts hold the carrier bearing right there. Then it just slides right off this shaft. And we're gonna have to change the ball joints, the tie rod ends, and put a seal in the differential. So the differential is gonna have to come out. To get the drive shaft out, we had to take the bolts out of the cover here. The drive shaft is out here. You'll notice this will spin that way, but it won't. So that needs a new U-joint. That's the carrier bearing for it. I've already put new U-joints in that part of it. That's the entire drive shaft for the front drive shaft. But I'm glad we took the rest of it out, because that U-joint is shot.
Well, I'm trying to figure it out. Here, I'll show you. That's what I've been doing.
You see this oil right here, that seal, the front seal, the input seal for the differential is leaking. That's where all this oil comes from. The more we take this thing apart to replace and fix parts that needed when I bought it, the more we're finding wrong with it.
I'll get done, I can jack it up here.
You get your new sway bar?
Yeah.
I think it's nice.
So nice, so sick, so shiny. So help me real quick here. Let's see. This will work. We talking about that nonsense you was talking about before.
Okay. We're changing the
Sway bar.
sway bar. The old sway bar was broken too.
That's it. And then
The shocks have no more gear. I have to take them out.
That boy's in there now. Alright.
Both sides?
Yeah, Kevin got his side. Axles in this thing today. On both sides, and then hopefully we'll have it back together.
Yeah, we got that center console to get bolted down.
Yeah. So I just use my flashlight. The axle, it's got to come out from up in that differential. It's got to just slide right out after we take this hub off. Same thing on the other side. And the new one will slide right in. And then for this center console piece, it's got to be bolted down. What's got to be bolted down in this? Just the whole piece?
Yeah, I got that nuts on the other side.
Oh, okay. I guess it's got nuts on the other side, and to get to those, we got to take this skid plate that we put on and back off. So we'll have a busy day today. So there's this nut right here. It's a bolt and a nut, but you got to take the nut off and then slide the bolt out, and then this ball joint will drop down, and then we should be able to not take the top one off, but we might have to. Alright, so we're going to put the nut on it a little bit, so that way we don't mess up the threads whenever we hit it with this hammer. Really? There we go. I'll put it on the other like that. I think it'll be too hard for these ones.
Get them in there far enough to get the snapping on it.
yeah, I might have to clean up the. I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit around that. It's going.
You gotta get this snap ring in now.
Get some screwdriver and help push it back side of the back over here behind me. Down right there. Push down. I'm just cleaning up WD-40 because I couldn't find no part cleaner nowhere. Or brake cleaner. Right there. You just take a marker where we did right now before you even touch anything, and you make a line on both of them, and then you count the turns. See everything but the tie rod?
Yeah, everything but that tie rod.
Twist it around, make sure it's in there. Yep, we're good.
Snap ring to get in. When you get the chance.
Okay. That was so easy. Too easy.
Too easy?
Yeah, it came out pretty good.
Well, you might as well just start putting them in now.
Yeah.
So today we're working on taking the differential out of this side by side that we've been doing a little bit of videoing on the past few days. We took the brake caliper and the rotors and the hub off this side and the axle to try to free up some space, and now we're doing the same on the other side. I've already got most of it disassembled.
We're doing it to pull the differential.
I gotta get this axle, but then we're pulling the differential. I'm setting the camera up there. so maybe you guys can kind of see what's going on. But this axle right here pulls out and it's not pulling out. So me and Mike are gonna have to, one of us is gonna have to pull and the other one's gonna have to pry. Yeah. Let's not try prying on it. Oh yeah, it's a lot. There we go.
Jacob, you're the man.
What took you so long?
Alright, I'm gonna go
Get used to it there for a second.
It was good until it wasn't.
Man.
Get them little buggers.
All right. So this wire got to be unplugged. This hose clamp is going to come off the stamp line. That's awesome.
Hey,
Huh?
I'm trying to figure out how you do this.
The axle's in it though.
Take that ball joint out. Take that axle out. So take that back apart. Let's get this whole spindle off.
So pretty much what's going on is the wheel bearing is either backwards or it's too small. It's the wrong one. So they're taking it out right now.
Easy as pie.
Oh yeah.
What got you so long?
Waiting on parts to come in.
Back where it goes.
Out there, that monstrous people. They got tie rod in it. I guess we're gonna have to have it out. I feel like we could leave it on though, you know, if we take this out. Did you just take my 13?
Yep.
Why?
Just for a second. This side should be good. Alright y'all, so we're interrupting the video today to tell you guys about our brand new free giveaway for this 12 volt jump starter air compressor combo. It's over $200 at the store, so over $200 value in this, and the giveaway is completely free. All you gotta do is subscribe, you gotta like this video, and you gotta comment down below or comment on any of our videos until February 28th at midnight. That's when the giveaway ends, and then we're gonna announce the winner the following Friday. And we're also gonna tell you guys about our merch that we got made. If you guys want to find out more about this, you can click the link in the description. We've got hats, hoodies, coffee cups, shirts, and more than that. So just click the link and find out what all we have. Thank you. God bless.
Let's see. Lift it up right there. Push it out, yeah.
Should just slide on.
There we go. Then take it back up.
There you go.
Okay, now take it off, put the other washer on.
I put both washers on
You
it.
put both washers on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Along the cord.
Now you just got-
That's on over here.
Put that cover, close the keys right there.
I got a whole bin.
That's what it's technically supposed to look like when you put one on, Joe. See that? How I bend it like that? That's what it's supposed to be.
how you
Alright, so I'm changing the brake pads on this Razor.
Gonna get this. There's a Allen screw right there. This is now the way that I found to do this is push these pins in the vise.
These pins right here.
Yeah. Pushing them pins in. Go ahead and push in my auger and get the new pads on. Okay, top goes in. Another day in the shop. Now, the way to do this is there's about to be a lot of different ways on how to do this, but this is how I'm doing it. These swing out like this. Then the new ones. Like that. And our new brake pads.
Pads are pretty freaking worn down, weren't they?
They were breaking up and stuff. Then you got to put this. Forgot about it. You got to put this Allen key back in.
Oh.
This is the first set of brake pads I've replaced on the Polaris. I got a little bit out of it. Hold it. Okay, getting a little bit of air. Pump it up again. Okay.
What he's working on is the bleeder valve, trying to get all of the air out of the system, out of the brake system. You start with the farthest point away from the master cylinder. And since we're just doing the front brakes, it's just the farthest point away.
Yeah, this side's done. Hold it.
Dang.
One more time.
Get tired now.
Hold it.
Straight fluid.
Should we do it one more
Scott,
time?
I do it
One more
one or two
push.
more times. It's got a lot of pressure.
Yeah, is it tight?
Yeah.
Pressure, the fluid going down?
Okay, hold it.
Alright. I mean, I don't know if it'll stop, but it feels like you got a good brake.
I heard some hour that time.
Yeah.
Go one more time.
Say it one more time, it'll be good.
Okay. Hold it.
You think we'll do the other side again?
Let's do this side one more time.
I'm a little bit cool.
Going down a little bit. Need to put the add some. Hold it.
Alright.
Pour it. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop.
But basically what we're doing is we're dropping this skid plate under here because we gotta get that center console bolted up. So yeah, we're about to get it done.
Basically, we're gonna take this off. This is just a metal divider, and then once we take this off, so this gotta come off first. Yeah.
Back roll, slow down.
Move your leg.
Should be going pretty easy the rest of the way now.
Go.
I think I was about to come off, or it's about to slip off. Your punch. I just gotta hold it. Oh shit.
That's probably good right there.
Let me give it.
That's good.
Yeah. All the way through both sides now. That's what you want. You see it barely poking through the top, like that. I've already put the punch somewhere. Oh, it's right here.
Set it right there.
Oh, there's that.
It's good.
Alright.
Drive shaft is in.
Now the skid plates. This goes in between these two.
Okay.
This is the bottom.
I think that right there, the piece that's curved down on the bottom. Yeah, this one right here.
Yeah, so this is the bottom.
And then this one right here.
There's a hole there that needs to be pulled in.
Videos make
Don't feel right. I think it might have been Albert Einstein created the word alligator.
Really?
Yeah. It was just an animal before that.
I'm dancing.
Stop dancing. Skid plate back on, and we're about to get the front wheels and tires on, and then this thing will be pretty much done. Not pretty much, I think it will be done.
It might work on the small one up there.
It's coming together, man. Now we're just waiting on axles and a tie rod in.
Back tires are on. side-by-side video. It's running and driving flawlessly. Four-wheel drive seems to be working good, so stay tuned for more of this. It's gonna be so fun. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment down below, and stay tuned for next Friday's video. Probably have this thing out. Thanks for watching.